Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you prepare to play Pokémon games on Android, starting with understanding game platforms. It is important to know that Pokémon Sword and Shield were released for the Nintendo Switch, not the Game Boy Advance. Therefore, playing them on Android requires a different approach than playing older GBA titles. We will explore both options to ensure you can enjoy your favorite Pokémon adventures. To play classic Game Boy Advance Pokémon games on your Android device, you will first need to download a GBA emulator. Popular choices include My Boy or John GBA, both available on the Google Play Store. Once installed, you will need to legally obtain the ROM files for your favorite GBA Pokémon titles. Simply open the emulator, load your ROM file, and you are ready to embark on a nostalgic journey. Playing Nintendo Switch games, including Pokémon Sword and Shield, directly on an Android device is significantly more complex. Switch emulation on Android is still in its early stages and demands an extremely powerful smartphone or tablet to run even moderately well. A more accessible option might be cloud gaming services, which stream the game from a remote server to your device, though this requires a stable, fast internet connection. For the most straightforward and enjoyable Pokémon experience on Android, we recommend sticking with Game Boy Advance titles using a dedicated emulator. If your heart is set on Pokémon Sword and Shield, the optimal way to play is on a Nintendo Switch console. However, if you possess a very strong internet connection, exploring cloud gaming services could provide a viable alternative for streaming Switch games to your Android device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.